Want to move your WordPress posts or pages from one site to another but not sure where to start? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to import your content smoothly and safely, step by step, so you can combine websites, start fresh, or just keep everything organized without any headaches. Let's jump right in so you can make your WordPress move with confidence. First things first, open your WordPress dashboard for the website you want to import posts or pages into. Think of your dashboard like the control room for your whole site. It's where all the magic happens. If you're not sure where to find it, just type in your site's URL, add admin at the end, and log in. You should see the familiar left-hand menu pop up. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the left menu and find Tools. Go on and give that a click. Tools is basically your site's toolbox, packed with features for managing your data. Under Tools, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is Import. Select that and you'll land on the Import page. It's designed specifically for bringing content in from somewhere else, whether it's another WordPress site or a completely different platform. Now here's a step that sometimes trips folks up. On the Import page, you'll notice a list of different blog platforms, each with its own tool. Find the one labeled WordPress. If this is your first time here, you'll see a little link or button that says Install Now, usually right beneath WordPress. This isn't installing WordPress itself, it's just a small plugin called the WordPress Importer, which does all the heavy lifting for you. Go ahead and click Install Now. It will only take a moment and you don't need to worry, it won't change or overwrite anything on your site. Once the importer is installed, the label will change. Right where the Install Now button was, you'll now see Run Importer. Click that and you'll be welcomed into the Import tool. Here, where you'll need the XML file that contains your posts or pages. This file ends in XML and is created by exporting from your old site. It's kind of like a carefully packaged box with all your content neatly tucked inside. If you haven't already exported this from your original site, just go to Tools, Export over there, and save the XML file to somewhere you can easily find on your computer. Ready. In the importer, click Choose File or Browse and find your XML file. Double-check you've got the right file, especially if you have a few downloads in your folder. Once you're sure, hit Upload File and Import. Now, depending on the size of your file, this might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. If it's a big site, give it some time. Don't worry if it seems like nothing is happening for a moment. WordPress is just busy unpacking everything and getting it ready. Once the process is done, you'll usually see a confirmation message. Sometimes the importer will also ask about assigning posts to users or downloading attachments. Just pick what makes sense for your setup. If you're just importing a few posts for yourself, the default options usually work perfectly. And that's it, your imported posts and pages should now show up on your site, ready to use and edit just like any other. If you want to double check, pop over to Posts or Pages in your dashboard and look for your newly added content. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like. It helps more people find it. Got questions or something didn't quite work as expected? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more clear, easy to follow WordPress tutorials, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching and happy importing.